तो ये टाइम चल रहा है 3, 4, 5th सेकेंड में टेम्परेचर डिस्प्ले हुआ, then 10th second the clock should redisplay.
Yes.
Correct. Then
अब 14 पे वापस डिस्प्ले.
15th पे
Yes, 15.
display. Then 20th पे clock should redisplay. Then 25th पे temperature should display. So every 5 seconds temperature will be displayed for 5 seconds and then clock will reappear.
Yes.
Great. Now 40 second. Correct. For 2, 3, 4 temperature. Great.
Then
Let's see.
55 पे display.
Minute should also
Now be
increase by 1.
increased.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
So it is increased.
Now temperature will display at 5 seconds.
Yes.
Great. Fantastic.